Yeah, and lots to talk about right now. You can see the storm system out to our west heading in our direction for tomorrow morning and into the afternoon. Now, initially, there's going to be some winter precipitation to talk about, but the reason we do have that winter precipitation is because of how cold it is right now. 24 degrees down in Carbondale, feels like 18. Look at those dew points, very dry out there at 13 with the dew points. So that's going to help set the stage for this icing event. You can see temperatures area wide here, fairly cold up north near Mount Vernon, 23, as well as in Harrisburg, 23 as well, 26 in Farmington and Piedmont, 27 in Cape Girardeau, 24 here in Paducah and Dixon Springs. So we're settling in here to the mid-20s, potentially low 20s for some of these areas as we head throughout the evening. And our dew points as well, very dry air mass that we're in as well, which is also going to set the stage for potentially that initial icing as that precipitation moves over this dry and cold air early tomorrow morning. Now, as we progress forward here, you can see our threat tracker showing those cloudy and cold conditions tonight, icy mix potential for tomorrow morning, and then that rainy but warmer weather as we head throughout your Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and we'll take a look at that here in a second as well. Right now, though, National Weather Service expanding those winter weather advisories across to the east here, now including Carbondale, Poplar Bluff, Mount Vernon, those types of areas. Starting to see that winter weather advisory. That's for 0.1 to potentially even more of ice accretion here, which is going to cause a lot of problems. Now, the reason that they said that they would expand this is because the precip is moving a little bit faster than normal than what was anticipated, and also because of how dry it is. It's going to help keep those temperatures down, and so it's going to keep this freezing rain going. So 7 a.m. tomorrow, expect probably a little bit more coverage here out to our western counties here, but again, that precipitation continues to flow through the afternoon, and with our dew points being so dry, it's picking up on potentially staying ice for a little bit longer down in Farmington, Cape Girardeau, Poplar Bluff, Mount Vernon, potentially staying ice through the early afternoon as well, which is why we have those winter weather advisories expanded. So eventually, though, as we head towards the evening, we warm up completely and everyone is rain, but it is a soaking rain tomorrow night into early Tuesday morning before another wave sets itself up for your Tuesday afternoon. Now, the impacts to this ice anywhere in the pink here, I would assume we would see potentially a glaze up to 1/10 of an inch of ice, potentially more as you head further west though, so certainly want to keep that up to date. Precipitation chances are increasing though as we head throughout the week, so it's going to be very, very wet as you head out throughout the remainder of the week. You want to keep that Storm Track 3 app handy, keep that radar in the palm of your hand, because we're going to be really, really soaking wet the rest of the week, and 1 to 3 inches of rain possible for the entire area here. So you're going to want to just have that app handy for you guys. Now, taking a look at the 10-day forecast here, you can see rainy chances continue, but we're warm and we're potentially dry for Friday into Saturday. But again, a lot of rain to get through before we get to that point. At least we're trying to thaw out, but of course, got to deal with that ice tomorrow morning. It's very dangerous to be out on the roads early in the morning. And
definitely some schools are going to be closed, as we see the tracker at the bottom of your screen there. So if you see your school there, it's going to be closed. So definitely